infiltrated by the communists in Bengal. Violence became the prime instrument resorted to by the comrades to solve political problems.
Historical events in the land of Anand Nagar, district Purlia. Purlia, Garh Jaipur Maharani Praful Kumar Devi donated land for Anand Marg Ashram in 1962. The five Dadichi who sacrificed our life on the land of Anand Nagar were Acharya Abhedanand Abdut, Acharya Prabhas Brahmachari, Acharya Sujidanand Abdut, Acharya Abodh Brahmachari and Acharya Bharat Brahmachari. Eyewitness by Acharya Amitanand Avdut. When we come to Anand Nagar and started our school in 1964, most of the people supported us, but some local government officials who visited us wanted to become members of all our boards of the college, governing body, the school governing body and the campus board. We did not allow them. He wanted revenge and became very angry. Meanwhile, some local communist leaders were instigating the villagers against us, saying that these Anand Margi were grabbing their land, and these leaders knew very well that the local people could be easily agitated against us on the land issue because the crops are their only income. It was very clever strategy that the CPM people used, that we were grabbing the villagers' lands. The CPM leaders spent a huge amount of money doing so. They organized a big gathering of many people and gave them money and wine. They became mad with intoxication. By the night of 4th March 1967, it was clear that something was going to happen next day. On the early morning of the 5 March 1967, we heard beating of a heavy drums which the tribal people used to signal war from all over the area. The beating of the drum started, and everywhere around us we saw a group of people assembling. We were encircled. The biggest crowd was on the western side. The police were also there. We had requested for the protections, but they refused. The crowd was in the ruddy. They were being fed a lot of wine even so early in the morning at 9 a.m. They started approaching our ashram from a field in the west about 100 meters away. They were about 10 to 50,000, were fully armed with the bow, arrow, spear, axes and guns. They were used with rage. They came to checkpoint of banyan tree in the west where we had posted a worker. So we had to vacate this checkpoint. We had set up many hutmen between the checkpoint and the Baba house, but the mob burned them all. By the time the crowd approached the Richi hill, it was almost 10 a.m. Some of the workers were assembled near the hill to prevent the crowd from coming to Baba house, for we knew they wanted to kill Baba. The crowd attacked. The workers and the trainer were fighting with a stick, but there were so many arrows coming that they fell on the hill. 8 were injured and 3 were killed. When Dada Abhedanandji Baba PA saw this, he knew that if we did not stop the mob, they would come straight to Baba house. So he grabbed a lathi and cried out, "Let's go! What are you running back? Let's go forward and fight." And he charged forward the hill. As soon as he approached, the crowd surrounding him and attacked him. Within a few seconds, they cut him into pieces. Then the Sachidanand Dada, who was watching from Jagrati hill, cried out, "Dada, what are you doing?" He too towards the Dadichi hill, but the crowd took him in their arms like a small child and killed him. The police were firing tear gas, but the wind's in our direction, so the tear gas comes towards us. Meanwhile, some of the workers had run to the Baba and shouted, "Baba, what is happening? We know you are Lord. Why don't you do something?" He remained silent. Then Baba asked, "How many have been killed?" We answered 3, but by that actually 5 had been killed. Then Baba came out of his house and simply stood on veranda and looked at the crowd, and they started retreating back, and soon they had completely disappeared. Namaskar.